There was no, we literally just sat down. I should have, there was the doe that was with him though. Ezra wanted to shoot the doe and he's like, Dad, can I shoot the doe? I'm like, yeah, but it was 100 yards away, you know.
Shoot the doe in the
Yeah, so he got the scope on it and he had the scope on it and I'm like, if you have it right behind the shoulder, I'm like, just pull the trigger, bud. And he's like, no, I'm going to wait for a buck. And he pulled the gun down. That's a decent one. I'll take it.
Boy, he looks real big there, man.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. This was the side that I saw when he came walking in. It was like, holy cow. And I saw this right here, too, when he was put his head down. An extra little point there. It's pretty sweet.
Thanks, man.
6x5.
Another $700.